So Chris, as our banking executive on the ground in America, what are you hearing about the key trends and thematics over there?
We're seeing the convergence of consumer brands and banking brands coming together quite rapidly. And that's driven by the expectations of the consumer. So you're seeing banks essentially striving at the desire of the consumer to take a very humanistic approach to banking. And I think that's great for financial institutions, but more importantly, I think it's great for the consumer.
And how are banks tracking in terms of that ambition? Are they early stage, or are they starting to make impacts towards customer expectations?
Yeah, the more aggressive banks certainly are making strides in what I would call personalization. I think they've found that data is at the center of everything they do, and putting the customer at the center of every interaction is paramount to every decision that's being made in the banks. The banks themselves are in a unique position, and I would give a race car analogy. They're essentially in pole position. They're in pole position because they have the underlying data, and that is bank customer consumer data, the transaction data, that really outlines what a consumer's desires, interests, needs, and preferences are. The challenge is unlocking that data set, given the unstructured nature of it, and converting that into what we call an analytic ready or AI ready data set to unlock personalization at scale.